Hi everyone, this is Terence Tan, the Impossible Investor. Now I'm just going to do a quick market update after the markets have kind of turned over in the recent weeks over here after Trump has taken a retaliative kind of move over here on his own Federal Reserve, and of course what after that escalated with the China trade war issues again, and then China retaliating, of course. Now, so markets have gone into what we call the uncertainty phase again. Has it turned bearish over here? Not in the long term, but probably in the short term. That markets are jittery right now. So what you can see a lot right now is market volatility spiking right now, and that actually favors option sellers over here who are well positioned with the stocks that they know they're trading on, all right, and how to position their trades. Now, for those of you who are already in the market before this market has turned over here, all right, now if you have really followed strict money management rules and position sizing rules, you should not be fretting right now. This environment over here, the people who will be fretting are those traders, speculators over here who have over leveraged, all right, otherwise you're pretty much doing fine. So in the long run, market is not turnover. We still see a lot of support coming in the market because after every sell-off we see that bounce over here. So market has not reached, in this professional term we call it capitulation over here, where everyone is just panicked and whoever has sold has started finished selling over here. We have not reached that stage. We may see more selling, or we may see another one of those turnaround bounce over here, which we have witnessed a couple of times over the last 1 to 2 years over here right now. So what the market has in store over here, nobody really knows, but the one thing I know over here is it's going to be definitely led right now by the financial sector. So if you want to see the main strength of the market right now, or if there's real selling off strength in the markets, pay attention to the financials, or you could look at the financial index as a whole with this ETF over here called XLF in the US stock market. Now, so if you see the XLF start breaking support levels over here, that's probably a more clear sign that more selling is going to come in the financial stocks and financial sectors, and that's going to lead to more downside in the S&P 500 as well. Now, but for that, we have to see, because nobody really knows what's going to happen in the weeks coming up. Yes, there's going to be a lot of uncertainty that kind of supports the idea over here, but everything can turn in an instant. So right now what we have over here is Trump trying to exert his power on his own team over here. This is something really new because it's always supposed to be kept independent between the president and the Federal Reserve Board, but someone is trying to step over the line right now. So let's see how this power play is going to turn out. Again, I've always talked to people that I met over here. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the markets. So the only thing you can do right now is to try and position yourself in the right manner, in the right trades, and in the right sizes over here. So meanwhile, stay safe, stay sane, stay impossible, everyone. If you want to find out, how we do this in IMP Pro with the list of our stocks that are very specific that we trade with over here, do click on one of the links and find out more about how you can be part of us. If not, have a happy weekend over here. It's a long weekend in Singapore right now, so I'm going to spend it with my family, some quality time with the family and people who are important to me, and I hope you do the same too over the weekend for yourself. All right, catch all of you soon. See ya.